How to use Discord on a web browser. Want to use Discord without downloading the app? No problem. Today I will show you how to use Discord right from your web browser. Quick and easy and no installs needed. Let's jump in. First, open your favorite browser. Open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, you name it. Now, go to Discord website. Type discord.com in the address bar and hit enter. Click login at the top right if you already had an account. If you are new, click register to create one. It's free and fast. Once logged in, you can join servers, chat with friends, join voice channels, send pictures and GIFs, customize your profile, all without installing anything. For easy access next time, bookmark discord.com in your browser. And that's how you use Discord on a web browser. Simple, fast and no downloads. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload.